Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, today we get some information on the energy markets. The market is expecting to see higher buildup in crude oil U.S. stocks, which could continue to weigh on crude oil market. There's also talk that Saudi Arabia might increase production if Iran sanctions continue to record levels. That could also offer some resistance to the market. In general, we're kind of seeing a little bit of a sell-off in most commodity prices because of concern about a slower global and especially China economy. And that continues to weigh on the market. Dollar's higher again today, which is probably offering some resistance to the grain, especially in the wheat market. As far as outlooks are concerned, weather-wise, we've still got a few more days of dry weather across the Midwest, which should help harvest. Then we look at a week of maybe rains and temperatures a little bit below normal. South America, conditions are favorable down there, although central Brazil might be getting too much rain, and eastern Argentina may not be getting enough rain, but all in all, the conditions are pretty favorable. When we look at U.S. Harvest conditions as of this week, overall the corn harvest is 49% done versus 47 average, but you've got Iowa at 29, Michigan at 31, Minnesota 35, Nebraska 34, North Dakota 21, South Dakota 25, and Wisconsin at 31, and all those levels is beginning to slow down some of the movement domestically, and we saw some pretty big jumps, especially in central Illinois corn basis yesterday. For beans, the key points, Iowa 37, Michigan 43, Missouri 33, and Wisconsin 36. So again, not as much harvest being done, and we're still watching some of the quality issues because of the earlier too much rains. Winter wheat plantings, Kansas is 67, Illinois 53, Missouri 34. So there's still time for farmers to plant wheat, and there is expectations that they will plant more wheat acres than a year ago. Technically, we've got stops below 850 in the November beans, resistance at 862. If we take out those stops, we could test 820. The fundamentals suggest that eventually we will trade down to that price level. As far as corn, we've got a very tight range between 365 and 370, and we're going nowhere fast as far as the corn market is concerned. Wheat, we're below support at 505. We could contest all the way down to 490 because of lack of new export demand out of the U.S. We did see that Algeria came in and bought French wheat, so the lack of U.S. demand is offering resistance to that marketplace. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.